हेलो चिकित्सक, वेलकम टू चिकित्सक रिवोल्यूशन। टुडे वी आर डिस्कस राइबोसोम। पढ़ रहे हैं राइबोसोम। राइबोसोम में क्या होता है? तो राइबोसोम इज द नॉन मेम्ब्रेनस ग्रेनुल अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोपिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेल। राइबोसोम क्या है? नॉन मेम्ब्रेनस ग्रेनुल अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोपिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेल। टर्म गिवन बाय जॉर्ज प्लाडे हेंस आल्सो कॉल्ड प्लाडे पार्टिकल्स, यानी कि राइबोसोम को प्लाडे पार्टिकल्स भी कहते हैं। क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि उन्हें जॉर्ज प्लाडे साहब ने टर्म दिया था, इसलिए इसको कहते हैं प्लाडे पार्टिकल्स भी बोलते हैं। लोकेशन कहाँ है? प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल। प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल स्वेंटियस टाइम। अब आप प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल क्या होता है, यूकैरियोटिक सेल क्या है, आप ऑलरेडी नोन है। प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल स्वेंटियस टाइप में होगा, जबकि यूकैरियोटिक सेल में दो तरह का साइटोप्लाज्म एंड सेल ऑर्गेनल्स। साइटोप्लाज्म एटीएस टाइप, जबकि सेल ऑर्गेनल्स माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड प्लास्टिड। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज द स्वेंटियस टाइप बट प्लास्टिड इज द स्वेंटियस टाइप, दोनों सेम। प्लास्टिड में स्वेंटियस टाइप, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में स्वेंटियस टाइप, जबकि साइटोप्लाज्म इज द एटीएस टाइप। टाइप्स ऑफ राइबोसोम्स, दो टाइप का, स्मॉल राइबोसोम एंड लार्ज राइबोसोम। अगर आपको पता होगा तो ये आपने कहा था कि यूकैरियोटिक में लार्ज राइबोसोम्स एंड प्रोकैरियोटिक में स्मॉल राइबोसोम। तो देयर डिफरेंस बिटवीन द स्मॉल राइबोसोम्स एंड लार्ज राइबोसोम। Small ribosomes, there are two subunits and 50S and 30S, but not at the 82 80S. It is absolutely correct. 50S and 30S is equals to 20S. A small ribosome, two subunits 50S and 30S. And now large subunit 80S, and there are 60S and 40S do not addition because large ribosomes are subunits of small ribosomes. Function of ribosomes, it is involved in the synthesis of different proteins and enzymes. Also incorrect of the ribosomes. Ribosomes are protein synthesis and factory of protein synthesis. To now, ribosomes non-membranous granular ultra microscopic structure of the cell can be made by Jolly and hence called Platter particles. Location eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell 20S type, and eukaryotic cell is the 20 cytoplasm in cell organelles. Cell organelles get two type, mitochondria and plastids. Mitochondria is 20S type, plastids 20S type. But types of ribosomes are two types: small ribosomes and large ribosomes. Small ribosomes, two subunits 50S and 30S. Large ribosomes in the 60S and 40S. Functions of ribosome involve synthesis of different proteins, enzymes. It is very important. Now, note on. Now discuss cytoskeleton. Okay, it is very important. Ribosomes, types of ribosomes and term ribosomes and location of ribosomes. It is very important. Now, function of ribosomes involve synthesis of different proteins, enzymes. Now discuss cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is the elaborate ultrastructure. Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is the elaborate structure. Cytoskeleton is an elaborate ultrastructure, an elaborate network of filamentous, network of filamentous proteinaceous synthesis. Proteinaceous structures present in cytoplasm of the cell. Cytoskeleton is nothing but it is an elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structure present in cytoplasm of the cell. They are involved in function. They are involved in functions such as mechanical support, motility and maintenance of cell shape and maintenance of important in cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is an elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structure present in cytoplasm of the cell. They involve the function of the mechanical support and motility and also serve the maintenance of cells reproduction. Now, types of cytoskeleton. Types of cytoskeleton. Types of cytoskeleton. There are microfilament, microtubules, and intermediate. No. Macrofilament. Macrofilament. Unit actin protein. Unit actin protein. Function movement of cell organelles. It is very important. Movement of cell organelles. Movement of cell membrane. Movement of cell membranes. Endo and exocytosis. Endo and exocytosis. You know that endocytosis and exocytosis. Previously, lectures are discussed in the endocytosis and exocytosis. Okay, now movement of muscles. Movement of muscles. Now function is the only animal cell found in skin and hairs. Movement of muscles, it is very important. Now macrofilament, then microtubules. Macrotubules unit tubulin protein. Macrotubules unit is the tubulin protein, a structural protein. Structural protein of cilia, structural protein cilia and flagella. Microtubules unit tubulin protein, structural protein cilia and flagella. Centrosomes and spindle fibers. Now, next one, the intermediate filament. Intermediate filament unit kinesin. Unit is the kinesin protein type of desmin, kinetin, and vimentin. It is very important. So now cytoskeleton, an elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structure present in cytoplasm of the cell. They are involved in functions such as mechanical support, motility, and maintenance of cell. There are three types of cytoskeleton: microfilament, microtubules, and intermediate filament. Microfilament is the unit of actin protein and functions the movement of cell organelles and movement of cell membrane, endo and exocytosis. They are discussed previously as endocytosis and exocytosis, and engulfing the solid substance is called endophagocytosis, but intaking in the liquid substance is called pinocytosis. Okay, now that movement of muscles, now microtubules, tubulin protein structure, protein cilia and flagella, centrosome and spindle fiber not present in the microtubules. And next one, the intermediate filament unit kinesin protein and desmin protein and vimentin. Now structure, outermost covering in the cell wall, and then elaborate structure is cytoskeleton and center nucleus and ribosome are scattered. It is very important. Outer portion in the cell wall, then it is the thin layer plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the living, and also both are two types of model, and this fluid molecule model and segment model plasma membrane. Now talking Okay, note down. Okay, cytoskeleton is very important. And next class we have discussed literally cilia and flagella and difference between the cilia and flagella. Okay, thanks.